as you can see, I'm starting out on YouTube. I'm starting as a new YouTuber, I mean. And I wondered how to get to where I wanted to get, what I wanted to get to, you know what I'm saying? In all seriousness. For all you new YouTubers out there that are just starting out right now, you guys probably wondering on where to get a low budget camera, but not low budget quality. So low budget in price, but in good quality. And I think I found the camera for you guys. I got it around $219, pretty much everywhere, and it's probably cheaper if you get it used, but that's your decision. But in all honesty, I really do think that this camera is pretty good, at least for a first camera. You guys can be the judge of that, but in my opinion, I think it's pretty good. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a few clips that I put together, maybe cinematic, just random clips that I just did while just shooting around, me driving, just traveling around where I live at, just showing you some clips and see what you guys think of the quality. And yeah, it's just a short video, just on the review of this camera. It's pretty good. Alright guys, so this is the Canon Vixia HF R800. It came out like in around January, I think. I'm not sure, but it has pretty much everything that you really need in a normal camera. It has pretty good quality. I think it's 1080p, 60 frames a second. I'm pretty sure it's that. I'll change it if it's not. But it could flip. It'll show me. There's me right there. Yeah. There's the guy that's recording. And the price, I got it at Best Buy for around $219. And you can pretty much get that everywhere. Probably it might be cheaper if it's refurbished on Amazon, but you could check that out. And for attachments, so far I've gotten a wide angle lens. It gives it a pretty professional look to it, and obviously a wide angle. Comes with comes with a macro on it, so you can take pretty close up pictures, and all you do is just screw it on there. If I can get it on there. You just screw it on there. See, gives it a little professional look to it. Makes you look like you're a professional videographer or photographer. But and I also, at the moment, have this flexible tripod that I mounted on, so I can get some still images, still recording, you know, so it's steady and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So where we going?
Jerupa Park. Not exactly sure what it's called.
A park. That's all I know. That's all I care about. A park. I never did that before, so. Oh, there it is right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's what it's called right here. Damn. Santa Ana River Watershed. Yeah, yeah. That's it.